Hello and welcome to Polyfield. Today we are going to make a volleyball. This is our default mesh. We need to add some subdivisions. Go to the edit mode and add some subdivisions. Go to this tab and take number of cards to 5. Now we have our cards. Let's make this round by clicking Alt, Shift and S and move your mouse pointer away. Okay, now this is round. Let's change it to edge mode. Let's change it to face mode. Now we can see the edges of our box. This is the top side of the box. We can see the corner of our box. We will take this one side and remove others. Let's select this top side, select the middle one. Now expand the selection by pressing Ctrl plus and again. Now select the inverse. To select inverse, press Ctrl I and let's remove this by pressing X and select the vertices. Now we have the top side. Let's change the view to the x-axis and extrude them a little bit. First select the middle one and change the view for the convenience. Press E to extrude and make it little higher. Maybe this one is okay. Now do this for the left and the right side. Select this one, change the view, press E and little up. Okay, nice. Now do for this side, select it. Let's change the view for the convenience. Press I and move it little up. Try to match the size of the all sections. Now we have our one side. We have to copy this down. Let's select them all by pressing A. Change the view. Let's first copy it, then we will rotate this. Copy this by pressing Shift D. We have copied it. Left click to release. Now let's rotate this. We can do one thing. Let's select this point to the 3D cursor. Now rotate this by pressing R and we will rotate this in the x-axis, and for the accurate result just type 180 and enter. Now we have both sides, top and bottom. Now we need for the left and the right side. Now select them all again, change the view, copy it, Shift D. We've copied it, left click to release. Now we have to rotate this in the x-axis. Press R, X, and we need 90 degrees this time, 90. Now we have left and right. Now we need for the top and the back side. Let's copy this again. In this situation, we have to copy using L. Just move your cursor to the desired position. Let's copy from the side. Now press L to select this section, and now go to this size and press L to select this one too. Let's copy it by Shift D. Left click to release. Now let's rotate it in the Z axis, R, Z, and we need this in 90 degree too. Okay, now we have our shape. Let's rotate this one. We have to rotate this one. Maybe this is facing this way, this is this way. Yes, we have to rotate this one. Select this by pressing L, and this size too. Press L. Now let's rotate this in the y-axis, R, Y, and 90. Enter. Okay. Now we have our shapes. Let's go to the object mode and shade smooth to make it smooth. And we need to add the subdivision surface modifier. Make it to 2. Okay, now we have a problem here. You can see we have a little gap here. Maybe we have some closed vertices. They are joined. Let's go to the object mode, select all and remove closed vertices. Merge by distance. Go to the object mode. Yes, now gaps have removed. Now we have our volleyball. Let's give it some color. A volleyball comes in different colors. We will do a simple one. So go to the material, click this one, material. We have a white. Okay, let's rename this to white. White. Now we will use more two color, yellow and blue. Let's add more materials by pressing this plus, new, and rename it to yellow and change the color to yellow. This one is okay, maybe a little orangey. Okay, it's fine, I think. Let's take another one, new. Let's rename this to blue and change the color to the blue. This blue is fine, I think. We can change it later. Now let's assign this color to this different sections. Go to the edit mode. Now let's make them colorful. Select this one, and oh, there is one thing. There are our top faces, but we have more faces inside. You can look at them when we extrude. We have created these faces. We have to select them too, but not now. Let's create the top faces first. This one, and this is the opposite one. Press shift, select them. Now let's do the same for the top side. This one, and we have some more at the bottom. This and not them. Let's exclude them by pressing Ctrl. Okay, now select them by pressing Shift, click, and more click. Now we need to select the surrounding. Let's expand the selection by pressing Ctrl and plus. Okay, we have selected them. Let's assign yellow color to them first. Click and assign. Okay, let's change the view to the render view, then we can see the effects. Okay, they are yellow. Now we will add some blue color. Let's do this side. Let's see if it's wrong. We will change them later. Select this one, do the same for the opposite. This one, this, and this side, this and this. Let's make it blue and assign. Oh, sorry, we forgot to expand the selection. Ctrl Z. Let's expand the selection by Ctrl plus and assign it to blue. Okay, now we have some color. I think it's okay. Let's add some light. Go to the object mode, delete this one, add a surface, move this one a little bit up, add a surface to make the color light bounce. Go to the edit mode. Where is it? edit mode, and let's change the view. That's uh, now we can see better. Let's extrude this size, E and press Z to extrude it in the Z axis. Let's bevel this, Ctrl B, and bevel it. Scroll the mouse scroller to add some more loop cuts. Shade smooth. Okay, now add some light. I like the area light. Most of the time I use area light. Let's have some light in around of the ball. Oh, let's change this. Let's change this to individual origin. Now it will work fine. Let's copy it and rotate it in the y-axis 180, move it back. Let's have some more like this. Shift T, rotate in the z-axis, and to rotate this way we have to use -90. So you may wonder how I can see this this gonna rotate in the -90. Okay, let me show you something. When I press R and try to rotate something, then at the this side focus the focus in this area. When I try to rotate something, then they are showing us, Blender is showing us how much I am rotating. So I see the direction, and I can tell in which way I have to rotate them. So let's copy this one too. Now rotate our X 180. Now move it this side. Okay, let's change the camera view. G, Y, we can move it like this, or Z, or there is another way. We can move the camera in the camera view. When we enable the camera view and press the shift, and there is a key at besides the 1. Maybe this is the tilt sign. Maybe when we press this, we can adjust the camera using mouse and the keyboard, like we are playing some games. Okay, this one is fine, I think. Let's rotate the ball. Okay, this view is fine, I think. And maybe let's reduce the roughness to give it a shiny color. Do it for all material. Okay, here it is. Our ball is ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment if you need any specific tutorial. I will try to make it for you. Thank you for watching again.